From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for December 8th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. But first, a real quick recap of the euro dollar. We have been going short a couple of times this week on the euro dollar. Let me go ahead and take a quick peek at this. You see the four black boxes. We studied those in the live trade room yesterday. The resistance at the green zone supported the blue zone, knowing that history had shown us that once it got under the green zone, there was a good likelihood of a turn towards the blue shaded area. So that's what we were studying yesterday and actually trading. We sold under the green zone, the 1.1795 level, and have seen it now push all the way down to 1.1730 as expected. Of course, we have significant news today. Non-farm payrolls out of the U.S. If it breaks through the blue zone on positive U.S. dollar news, then we look for this to continue to go lower. We'll capture more profit on these trades. If it's negative news and it takes a turn higher, of course, we've already moved our stop losses into profit and we won't lose on the trades. So definitely an opportunity here to see some significant more profit if we get some positive news out of the US dollar. It will need to break the blue shaded area to continue that free fall. Again, zooming it in, our short is at the green zone and the purple zone, the higher one at the purple zone, protecting profit now. Stop losses moved into profit. We've closed some profit. We can't lose on these trades, even if the market takes a turn back higher for the euro dollar. Moving back to the USDCHF, it's similar yet opposite. We've seen it moving higher over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now of significant upward movement. Positive news for the US on NFP. We'll look for this to continue to draw higher towards the parity level. The yellow line in the pink shaded area at the top of the chart is the parity level for the dollar franc. Anything above there, we'll look for the continuation of the uptrend. Negative news, we could see the push back underneath that blue zone. So the blue zone is our key area to watch today. The blue shaded area, 99.60, 99.40. We see historical support. Look at the blue box just to the left of the chart. Blue box shows support there, resistance at the pink zone. So again, just like the euro, the opposite of the euro, as long as it's above the blue shaded area, history shows us there's a good tendency for it to run to parity at least. It kind of acts like a magnet up there. But as long as it's above the blue zone, we have this expectation. You and I are not in control of what's happening here. So we only can look at what the market has done before and say, hey, if it did that before, above the blue zone, it took a turn towards the pink zone, there's a good chance it does that again. Price action, we'll look for that. We'll look for indicators, but there's a good chance because the market did that before. It's consistent market behavior. So above 99.60, we're going to target the 1.0 level. Now we want to be sure it's a breakout and not a false breakout. Zoom it in one more time. This could be a false breakout. If it's poor news out of the US and we suddenly see a red candle, let's turn this red real quick just so it looks like a bear candle. If we suddenly see the market turn around on poor news out of the US and we see a red candle, we could lead it further back down again, either the purple zone or the orange zone. But if it doesn't, we get positive news, it stays above, then we look for it to draw higher towards the pink zone or higher. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for positive news, stay above the blue zone, drawing it higher. Negative news again would see it go back underneath the blue shaded area and start to draw lower. 4-hour time frame won't change that, except for the fact that as we get down here to the 4-hour time frame, we've already now seen a little candle get above that blue shaded area. So of course, it's a small 4-hour candle, and we really can't call that a breakout yet until it opens and closes. But take a look at that. You've now seen a candle above. That big candle on the left kind of skews the way this looks, but we've now seen a candle above 99.60, and so again, that's beginning to increase our expectation that we're looking for it to go back up to the pink zone and parity at the top. And again, poor news. If this suddenly turns into a big bearish candle after NFP, drawing it back to the purple zone will be the likelihood for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.